Hi guys, thanks for tuning into another one of my videos. So today I wanted to do a very quick video for you. Now, I wasn't planning on doing an Ulta 21 Days of Beauty video. That's why I didn't put one out before the event started. However, today I noticed a product on the 21 Days of Beauty event that I wanted to share with you because this actually ended up being a pretty good deal. So I am referring to the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus Power Duo. This kit includes the Cold Plasma Plus cream as well as the eye cream. If you can pick this up, I would absolutely do it. So this little duo here retails for $85. It's on sale for $42.50. The full size product of the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Plus cream is 1 fluid ounce. This is a half an ounce. The 1 fluid ounce cream retails for $149. It's on sale today for $74.50. I think that's a pretty good price if you just want that cream. The eye cream, which is a half a fluid ounce for the full size product, that retails for $110. It's on sale for $55. This is a quarter of a fluid ounce. I do think that this is an incredible deal. Now, I don't believe that you need an eye cream. But with that said, you can use your eye cream for your face and you can use your face for your eye cream. These are very similar products. I love the formulation of these products. They don't have any fragrance. They do have cetyl alcohol, but they don't have any other alcohols here. This is great. They have so many peptides in this product, and they have copper peptides, which if formulated correctly, copper peptides are great for your skin. Now, if you're using a vitamin C serum, I would be somewhat cautious with a copper peptide. Copper can oxidize vitamin C serum. So if you're noticing like orange streaks on your face and you're using a copper peptide product, that could be why. Nonetheless, this is a phenomenal deal for something to try. I haven't tried this yet. I just got it. Super excited to do so. And I wanted to share that with you. And while I've got you here, I thought I would just briefly touch upon some of the other products that Ulta has for the 21 Days of Beauty event. Mainly, I'm going to focus on skincare because that's what I know the best. I'll just highlight some of the other products that are available in case you're interested. On March 20th, they do have the Tula Pro Glycolic 10% Resurfacing Toner. I prefer my AHAs in toner form. I've heard great things about Tula. I haven't personally tried this product, but it has over 1,000 4.5-star reviews. So I do think that this product is probably quite good. Glycolic acid is the strongest of the AHAs, so please be careful. And at 10%, that's quite a lot. So I would not do this if you're a beginner. However, Tula does formulate their products pretty well, so this might be okay. Now, March 22nd, we have the Sunday Riley Power Couple Mini Kit. Okay, Good Genes is a great product. A lot of people used it quite a bit about 3-4 years ago. It was a holy grail product for very many people for a reason. It's quite effective. It's another AHA serum, and then you also get the Luna serum as well. You can use those together if your skin isn't that sensitive. Like I said, Good Genes is a great product. I prefer my AHAs in toner form because I find that I can layer my skincare a lot better when I use a toner versus using a serum. Each additional serum that you apply after 3 could reduce the efficacy of the products that you're putting on your face. And these things do cost money, so you want them to be as effective as possible. Now, ultimately, I do think that the Sunday Riley products are great. I know Sunday Riley has had some issues in the past, especially with reviews that they put on the Sephora website that they got caught for kind of putting on there when they should not have been doing. Nonetheless, if you like Sunday Riley, you might want to give it a shot here. However, if you have subscription boxes, I have noticed Sunday Riley products in pretty much all the subscription boxes lately. I think it was a little bit cheaper than the $14 price in the FabFitFun subscription box recently. So if you are subscribed or you're thinking about subscribing to subscription boxes, you might want to hold off on this one. It looks like the Ofra highlighters are going on sale on March 23rd, but I have seen them in subscription boxes as well. However, I've heard great reviews about them. I've personally never used them. On March 25th, the Indie Lee Brightening Cleanser and the CoQ10 Toner are going on sale. Also 50% off. I think they're both going to be around $17 and they're both currently priced at $34. My thoughts. I think Indie Lee is a pretty great brand. These products I have seen in subscription boxes before. I think FabFitFun had this product at around $15 or $16 in their most recent add-on sale. So again, this is one of those products where if you are already subscribed to subscription boxes, I don't know that you're gonna wanna rush out and get this, but if you're not, that could be a very interesting product to try. Also, the other thing is that Indie Lee products have been also going into TJ Maxx. So if you step into your local TJ Maxx store, I've actually seen that brightening cleanser at TJ Maxx. I don't know. I don't know if it's worth it to go out to Ulta, although I think that Ulta probably has the latest and greatest, freshest products. So maybe that does make sense. Some of the Kopari products are going on sale on March 26th. So if you like Kopari, that could be your day. Kopari does use a lot of coconut oil. So if you are allergic to it or you don't like it, you might want to rethink. Now, the only other product that I was like, ooh, okay. On March 31st, Ulta's kind of doing their K-Beauty event. They have some of the CosRX products that are on sale. My favorite CosRX products are the galactomyces serum as well as the snail mucin serum. I've used those. I love them. The propolis products are going to be on sale for this sale. So they're great products. I've used samples of them. I think they have some brightening that they've added onto my skin. Now, if you are allergic to bees, this is something that you should absolutely, think long and hard about. However, they are decent products. I do think CosRX puts out great stuff. So I don't know. It all depends on what you want to do. I haven't really seen CosRX products in too many sales. I have seen them in some of the K-Beauty boxes, but they don't come in often enough. So that might be something for you to consider. Also, the Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water is going on sale for $15 from $30 on the 31st. So maybe that's your day if you're looking for any tanning mist or any K-Beauty products. Now, overall, the reason I wasn't going to do a video on this is because I found that most of this stuff, as I've been kind of going through it, I've seen it in subscription boxes. So I don't want to have too many of the same product just lying around. So I really wasn't totally excited about these products here. Also, I've noticed that there's a lot of repeats from previous 21 Days of Beauty events. Now, I know people have also mentioned on April 1st, the KKW Beauty lip liners are going on sale for $6 from $12. You're a big fan of Kim Kardashian, or you really love that brand. I do think her lip pencils are quite good. I've tried them. So this I am pretty excited about. But like I said, just a lot of repeats. There isn't anything that's very exciting. And also, when Ulta does this 21 Days of Beauty event, Sephora kind of copies them and does the same 50% offs. Now, this time around, this cold plasma cream, I'm surprised that Sephora did not have the Perricone MD products on sale, but they're having other products on sale. I know that they've put some of the Bare Minerals products on sale right now, which are going on sale tomorrow for Ulta. So I don't know. It seems like right now, there's just a lot of sales happening, and then Sephora's coming out with a sale, their semi-annual sale, which will give you 20% off if you're Rouge, 15 if you're VIB, 10 if you're an insider, I think within the first week of April. So mark your calendar for that. So like I said, nothing totally exciting. Now, there is one other thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about, and it's a little bit out there, but because I've seen this a lot in beauty subscription boxes right now, I wanted to touch upon this. Now, right now, we are not doing a lot of travel. However, I have a strong feeling that once the vaccine is properly disseminated and people kind of start feeling like they need to come out of hibernation, all the travel products that we've been not buying are going to just get sold out. I specifically got these from Amazon. They're by the brand OEE. The name on Amazon, and it's a mouthful, is OEE Luggage Packing Organizers, Packing Cube Set for Travel. Okay. They have over 3,000 4.5-star reviews. I saw another YouTuber post about these, and I thought that they were really cute. Now, this comes in a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags, and this was for $18. There are multiple different colors. I thought these were quite interesting of a design because number one, this larger packing cube here, this is the largest size. If you notice, they have these little clips here that allow you to compress your clothing even more, and I kind of like that. Now this is, I won't say this is the sturdiest design that I've ever seen. You see it's plastic. However, if this helps me a little bit, I kind of do like that. The material here is very thin because it is meant to be just a packing organizer to keep your stuff in place. I don't think this is going to last forever. I'm just looking at the stitching. It's not like double stitched in or anything. But I think this is going to work just fine. I did pick this pink color. I liked it. But you don't have to go with this pink color. They have blue, lavender, beige, navy blue, so other colors are great. I do like that this has a mesh top, and I also like that this came with a handle. Then the next size, this medium size one, this also comes with the compression tabs here, which I really like. And I also like that all of them come with these loop zippers. This makes this so much easier to close your luggage than like sitting there trying to hold that little zipper pull and pulling it, especially if you have a lot of stuff. So I do like these, but like I said, I don't think they're gonna last forever. I do think that they'll last long enough, just judging by how they're made. And I like, you know, the smaller one obviously doesn't have any of the compression pulls, but I like that this other smaller one, they're almost similar sizes over here. This one is just a little bigger, is opaque because this is for your personal, especially if I'm going through the TSA security checkpoint and they're like opening up my bag. So I actually like that they thought this through and they have a bag that's fully opaque and not transparent. The other thing that I liked about this is that you get kind of these two little makeup skincare pouch bags. This one is definitely a lot sturdier and it has an extra pocket on the inside over here. This one is fully opaque. It says, "Wish you have a colorful life." Well, okay. Again, with the zip pull, which I like the loop, and you know, just enough space to kind of, you know, fit any other dangling items that you could have. I know I always have like a ton with AirPods and, you know, snacks, everything, and I kind of want to put it all in one place, so that makes things a little bit easier. You get a laundry bag as well. Again, "Wish you have a colorful life." I think that's quite cute. And my favorite item in here with the loop pull will be the shoe bag. Now for me, I'm 7.5 in women's size shoes. This will fit, I mean, look at this. This will definitely fit my shoes. If I'm wearing sandals or if I'm putting sandals in here, I can probably fit 2, maybe even 3 pairs because I pack. When I pack things in, I pack them in tight. So overall, for 8 pieces, this ended up costing me $18. I think that's so worth it. I've seen these packing cubes on FabFitFun. There's 3 of them for $14 or 3 for $15. I think this is worth it so much more. Personally, you get 4 packing cubes, and then you get 2 makeup bags, you get 1 shoe bag, and you get the laundry bag. It works out for me. So I think that this is worth it. Again, the brand is OEE. They are on Amazon. The full name for this item, if you're looking it up, is OEE Luggage Packing Organizers Packing Cubes Set for Travel. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining this video. I really appreciate it. I do these videos because I'm trying to get better at public speaking. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing, and please leave any commentary and feedback for me. Please try to be nice. I am not a natural presenter or reviewer of products. So please keep that in mind. And thank you again for your time. I really appreciate it. And please stay tuned. Bye.